YouTube, hold your crypto safely and grow it safely too. And the best way to grow your cryptocurrency is not to be a fool and to use protrade.tools. I'm going to be making more videos on this YouTube channel. The more videos I make, the more interactions I get, the more money I make, and the more I can put into trades on the tradejuice network. Trying to get 1,000 people on there, new people on there, and give back to my subscribers who post comments on the video and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. It's going to be a lot of fun. It is. Some of my videos might be tedious and boring, but I want to keep posting them nonstop until I reach my goals. And I'm gonna keep giving away. I'm gonna start giving away crypto. I haven't started yet. There's a lot of videos on my page with 0 comments so far. If you want to win crypto, click my profile, go to the videos page, and look at all the videos, and leave some comments on there, and you'll be definitely a winner. You're the first to do that, and we'll announce some winners soon. I think 2022 is going to be a lovely year for cryptocurrency. I wouldn't expect for Bitcoin necessarily to have the same percentage gains as we saw in the past year and a half. If you do the math on it, look at the M1 USD monetary supply and that sort of thing. Fiat currencies do inflate. They are constantly inflating, so the value of the crypto markets can also continually grow. But at that rate, honestly, I think altcoins will have those more high percentage gains in the future. For Bitcoin at its size, market cap size, to continue to have those type of gains, it would honestly, if you look at the past year and a half, if we're to do that continually for the next 10 years, then it would equal more than all the other money in circulation. So that's something to consider. Another reason to sign up to protrade.tools is because no matter what the market conditions are, there's opportunity to earn, and there's opportunity to learn some good educational materials on there as well. And almost as good arbitrage dot software, type that in, arbitrage trading, another good way. And yeah, yes sirree. Subscribe, hit that like button. Good night.